Hi everyone, I'm 𝗍𝗿𝗂𝗧𝗓. Today I'm going to share how I made my September bullet journal. Also, I made a free mood tracker printable for you. I will talk about it more later in the video. Let's jump into it. I first made the bullet journal templates for each page, then printed them out and glued them into my notebook. This way, I can save a lot of time by not making the layouts while I set up the planner and focus and enjoy the drawing part for each spread instead. This month, I decided to make the blue abstract shapes and the white lines to make my September theme. As you probably know, recently, I have been practicing doing things mindfully. This mindfulness practice really helps me a lot in different aspects of my life. I don't know about you, but I am a highly sensitive person. I found some information from an article by Elaine Aron. She said, a highly sensitive person means someone who has high sensitivity to the sights, sounds, emotion cues, and other stimuli around you. Being highly sensitive comes with many strengths and advantages. However, it can also lead to overstimulation and exhaustion. Being a highly sensitive person means you experience a much greater response than others. So much so that it can seem overwhelming. Many highly sensitive people need to excuse themselves from high stimulus environments, often having a refuge where they can be alone and ground their reactions. That's why I often feel overwhelmed by the things that happen around me. I need to avoid violent movies, TV shows, or the bad news. Often the people around me will have the comments like, "Why does that bother you?" or "You're too sensitive." So when I decided on my September bullet theme, I wanted to make the drawings and the decorations mindfully. I don't want to draw reality, but draw with my heart and the feelings. First, I'm using watercolor to paint the background shapes with all different shades of blue. Then I'm using the Untitled white gel pen to draw lines for decoration on the blue shapes. While painting and drawing, I try to do it mindfully. I really enjoy this process. Watching the brush mixing the water and the beautiful colors together and the white gel pen drawing the lines smoothly is really satisfying and calming for me. Do you have any experience in creating your art mindfully? Please share your thoughts down below. I'm curious about what you learned. Next, I'm making the mood tracker and the gratitude log. I designed this heart-shaped mood tracker. It's a free printable for you that I made for this month. Please click the link down below to download it. I hope you will enjoy using this cute mood tracker. Paying attention to painting these blue watercolor shapes helps me to enjoy drawing each line and the beautiful color mixing even more. Next, I'm drawing the color code for the different moods. Then I'm writing the words to indicate the feelings like joyful, relaxed, neutral, stressed, and sad. Finally, I'm using a white gel pen to draw decorative lines on the blue shapes to finish the look. On the habit tracker and the note pages, I wanted to change the blue watercolor leaf shapes into round shapes. Since I like changing the decorations on my pages often, so it will be more interesting when I use them, I feel like these blue round shapes look like pebbles in a little river. They look so pure and shining. Do you feel that too? Next, I'm making the stats tracker page and the monthly planner. Since I'm using layout templates that I made beforehand, it will save me a lot of time since I don't have to design the layout for this complicated stats tracker. I don't really like to start designing the pages when they are totally blank. So instead, I usually design the layout first, then print it out and glue them into my notebook. This way, I can make the drawing and the decoration part for the pages much more enjoyable. What about you? Leave a comment down below to let me know how you prefer to make your pages. The next pages are the weekly planner and the one-page weekly spread. The sections on the spread are top goals, priorities, to-do list, to call, to remember, shopping list, affirmations, notes, and a space for next week. A lot of the time, these kinds of box sections make it much easier to plan my week. Since I just need to do the fill in the blank work and follow the titles to write my plan. This will help me to cover everything I can think of while planning the whole week. Now I'm making the 2-page weekly overview. This is so much space for each day on this layout. So if I have a busy week ahead, this layout will be my best choice. I really like the blue moon shape design and the white decoration lines on the top of them. It gives this design a new feel, but also goes great with the theme for this month. On the lower part, I designed 4 sections for top goals, to do, next week, and a chart for a mini habit tracker. The mini tracker is so cute. It's a great way to help reinforce building good habits. Next is my 3rd weekly spread. As I said before, I always change the layouts and the decoration styles for each weekly spread, so I will not feel sick of the same design. On these 2 pages, I'm drawing the leaf shapes to look more like raindrops. It's very fun and satisfying to make these pages. I will definitely love using this spread for this week. Do you like to design a different layout for each week too? Please comment down below to share your thoughts. I'd really appreciate it if we can share opinions with each other. Finally, it's my last one-page weekly spread. This design makes the page very lively and it's very fun to make it. Last year, I created this orange and red radiating abstract watercolor work and uploaded to Redbubble. When I'm drawing this weekly spread, I feel these two designs are very similar. This shape is especially good to practice painting mindfully. If you don't know, Redbubble is a print-on-demand store. I have some artwork in my shop. If you are interested, I will put the link down below. Make sure to check it out. If you like my video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Also, please check out my Instagram. I post every page from my bullet journals there. If you want more bullet journal ideas, check out my Pinterest boards. The link is in the description. This is the final flip-through for this month's bullet journal setup. I hope you like this blue abstract theme and get some inspiration too. Don't forget to download the free mood tracker. I hope you will enjoy using it. I also have a free 13-page floral planner kit printable. If you haven't already downloaded this planner, you can find a free download link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!